welcome back to another video. This is episode 4, more about war test bed that I did. As soon as we get in the match, we're gonna see what it is. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend. Literally, all these videos are gonna be published on the same day, so I say it in every video. So just have a wonderful day in general, and please like and subscribe. Some YouTubers don't say it, some do. One of those people I say please like and subscribe. Just because I'm trying to get to 50. As you already know. I am gonna be tagging. I've seen people use the throw on the chest over. It's kind of a nasty combination altogether. Basically, the first bullet you hit, like that, locks him down, and then you can just continue to spray the rest of them. I don't even think I put the right one. I don't know what that got. And yeah, I guess I'm not putting the right ones on it. No, it's just this guy. No! Oh my god. Oh my god, that was fucking... Literally looks like anybody who's finished everything. Whatever they're gonna do. Anybody who was on here, I did not copy this build. I literally made this build down. Already. I already had this build in mind. I was like, you know what, these weapons are so good. I was right, it was. stop shooting. Bro, it becomes like so loud. So loud. Like, it tries to compensate for the hump that you feel. I don't know. I don't think I'm logging. No. No. There we go. Fuck. What are shooting fucking doing? Oh, I guess we got extra there. You know what? It is what it is. Damn it. Why did it do me like that? If it happens again, then I'm just gonna restart my internet real quick and then think. And if that, bro, if I were on that real circle, but those are crazy. I ain't gonna lie, because I'm with crazy. I'm just happy it doesn't have like a healing effect on this because that would be wild. I'm not gonna use the game a lot first. Because honestly, I didn't even think that was skilled at all, bro. Oh, whoa, bro. Is that a problem with this fucking bro? Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go. Then I'm gonna target the place. Was it a precious region? Was it that guy? Yo, it was. Let me go back. I thought it was a cycle. I feel like if you look at the would have made a build out of this, but I never did. I don't know why. Got it, dude. Like nobody can. Alright, bro, that's it, bro. I'm gonna no, bro, this might be more gated. Like, how you gonna camp for literally 5 minutes straight, if not longer? I've been camping longer than 5 minutes. That's insane. You get to go. You get to my chest. Yeah, keep that shit up. No, no. What are you gonna do that, huh? You gonna shoot me? Oh wait, you can't shoot me. You can't shoot me. That's right. I'm going to do your what? Fucking gotta be blue ball. If I can spawn him in, if I can spawn him in, I'm gonna get mad, bro. Yo, bro, I'm about to actually. I just spawned in a robot. I didn't even want to spawn in, bro. We're going to play one more, bro, because, like, literally, bro, this shit want to be sucking balls and dick. So, it is what it is. Ooh, that one's first. I'm gonna use this one. Let me show it off. I'm not really worried about this. think they're rather cool. Yeah. Game over. I'm still like, what the fuck I took care of? Real tight on it. Fuck. Alright, I definitely got bro. Unless. 3 of these can even kill him. Bro, that actually did decent damage. I missed my first 2 shots. First fight was like the last time. Forgot to change this shit. I'm not playing this match. Hell no. Oh, bro. I'm still hard to bring, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I swear I changed this stuff, bro. I swear I thought I changed this. Don't go more take this. bad, bro. If I keep on getting blazed like this, bro, yeah, I'm gonna die.
No, I'm good. I'm good all right. I'm doing no damage. Actually, I'm doing damage.
So yeah, that build's actually good. I don't even think they're squishy. No, I don't think they're squishy. That's alright. Yeah, I'll just explain why I made this build. I mean, this wasn't even the build I wanted to made it for. I wanted to made it with these. But, I mean, you could switch them out and put these on there too. I think it would have worked the same. It still would have killed everything. Literally. Yeah. It's a look at me build. I made this build because, one, it can destroy shields pretty quickly and it has range with these weapons. And I had this one just so that it could feel easier on some things when that thing. But since the whatchamacallit, they added this one, unstable conduit, turned it into a quantum radar that can see you do stealth. So they switched it out for space shift, but then I chose this pilot just so that I can do a lot more easy. This one, I made this build precisely because literally it does mad damage, and on top of that, since I got the unstable conduit, I can do myself, I can see people through whatchamacallit. Like, oh my god, why am I keep on fucking forgetting? Whatever, by the way, you already know what I'm talking about. But the past show, I used this one because bro, it's mad tanky. It makes me laugh. I mean, you saw the way I ate them bullets up, and then I continued pushing, and then the orphan came and he kind of killed me with the rockets too. I shit on him as well. And then this pilot is probably the best pilot. I mean, if they had another pilot, I don't think it would compete to this. Like 45%. 45% is actually fucking crazy. Might as well just put at 50, bro. Like, hey. And then the Seraph didn't really work the way I wanted to. I wanted it to be fast, but it wasn't fast. Yeah, it was not fast at all. At all. So I probably would have been better if I went with the durability guy, but it is what it is. And then this build, I made it with so much shield that it literally, you would need shield breakers to literally just get them. And I precisely made it like that because nobody's running shield breaker. Who is this, bro? Like, stop texting me! For crash out! I don't even watch TikTok like that. Ew, I don't know what the fuck that is. We keep on getting random ass people texting me, bro. Like, who is that? Oh, I can claim the word. I didn't know that. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. And I'm trying to get to 50. Oh wait, I didn't close. Well, you basically understand console. Get close. You wait try to kill you. This is your other ability. And literally that's basically it. It's literally basically it, man. Oh, and I made it super, super, super pinky. Alright, my mom's calling me. I'll, I'll bring you later. Ciao.
Bye.